Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this water filter. This is a faucet filter with a 360-degree rotating sink filter. It removes chlorine, lead, sediments, bad taste, and more. It is super easy to install. Alright, so today we received our faucet filters. So it does come with two, so you can filter out two sinks. It does come with 5 replacement filters. You do get a few adapters, which I use one of the adapters to connect to my bathtub. So now I can filter out my bathtub water. So this is a capacity of 500 gallons. So each one of these filters can filter out up to 500 gallons. So this one does have a diameter of 16 to 22 millimeters, which is available for tap, single hose basins, mixed double basins, mixed showers, and bathtubs. So this one has up to 1 to 3 months with its excellent purification capacity. If filters are compared to 1,000 bottles of 350 milliliter of mineral water. So this one does filter out all those impurities that are in your water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it in my son's sink. So right here we have it already installed. It is just a twist on. You can tighten it up. So what I'm going to do is turn the water on so you can see the filter working in process, and then you can see how this comes out a lot. As you can see that the water's going through the filter system, so you can see that it is filtering out the water. The best part about this is the 360-degree rotatable head, so you can clean your sink with this. I like the fact that it does do a really good job of filtering it. I like that you do get 5 extra filters, so you can use this for a long time without having to replace the filters. If you're looking for a nice filter system for your faucets or your bathtub, I would highly recommend checking out this brand. This one is a really nice one, and the extra filters is a bonus.